The Brezza's infotainment system simplifies connecting your smartphone via Bluetooth. First, access the Bluetooth settings on the infotainment screen. Enable Bluetooth pairing mode. A pin will be displayed on the screen. On your smartphone, search for available devices and select Maruti Suzuki Brezza. Enter the pin displayed on the infotainment screen into your phone if prompted. Once paired, you can make hands-free calls, stream music, and access contacts directly through the car's system. For multiple devices, the system supports pairing, but prioritize your primary phone for seamless connectivity. The Brezza offers built-in navigation with touchscreen controls. Simply touch the screen to enter your destination or use voice commands on supported models. For Android Auto integration, download the Android Auto app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to the car's USB port, or use wireless connectivity on newer Brezza models. For Apple CarPlay, follow the same connection process. Once connected, follow on-screen prompts to project your phone's interface onto the infotainment screen. This allows access to navigation apps like Google Maps, music streaming like Spotify, and making calls using voice commands through Google Assistant or Siri. Real-time traffic updates are provided via connected services.